In today's video, we will learn how to install Xampp on Mac OS. So, for this, search Xampp on Google. Open the first link with apachefriends.org URL. Once the link is opened, click on the link with click here for other versions. Now, scroll down to Xampp for OS X, and in this block click more downloads. Now you have to select the Xampp Mac OS X. You have to select the PHP version that you want, like 8.0.9, and then you have to select the installer.dmg. Once you have clicked it, it will download shortly. Okay, now once the download is completed, since I have already installed the same, I will not repeat the same process. Now after this is installed, you have to go to the process, and after the installation you will see the same a Xampp folder inside the application folder. Okay, so once this is created, you have to click on the manager OS X, double click and open it. Okay, after opening it, you will get a screen looking like this, the welcome screen. Okay, in this you have to go to the manage server tab, and you have to click and start the Apache web server and the MySQL database server that you will be requiring. Okay, now you can go to your browser and just type localhost, and you will see a page looking like this. If you see the page looking like this, that means you have successfully installed the Xampp on your Mac OS. Okay, so thank you, and please hit the like and subscribe button to stay tuned for our next video.